Assalamu alaikum student. How are you? Open your English notebook. Today we write capital A to Z. We start writing capital A. Start. Draw a standing line downwards. Draw a standing line downward and go back top to another standing line down to the opposite side. Now draw a sleeping line across like this. This is capital A. A after B. Start from the top and draw a standing line down like this. Draw a curve to the middle. Then draw a curve joining the bottom like this. This is capital B. B after C. Capital C. Start from the top and draw a curve like this. This is C. C after D. Start from the top. Draw a standing line down like this. Go again to the top. Draw a curve till the bottom like this. This is capital D. C after E. Capital E. Start from the top. Draw a standing line like this. Draw one more sleeping line to the right. Go to the middle and other line like this. Draw one more line in the same way. This is capital E. E after F. Draw a standing line down like this. Go back top and one sleeping line like this. Go to the middle and one more sleeping line. Capital F. E after G. Capital G. Start from the top and draw a curve like this. Draw a curve like this. Then draw a standing line middle till the bottom. This is capital G. G after H. Capital H. Start from the top. Draw a two standing line. One more after like this. Go middle, join the line with sleeping like this. This is capital H. H after I. Capital I. Start from the top. Make one standing line down like this. Make two sleeping line. One and other sleeping line bottom like this. This is capital I. I after J. Capital J. Start from the top. Draw a standing line to the bottom with the small backward curve like this and go back to the top. Draw a sleeping line across like this. This is capital J. J after K. Capital J. Start capital J. Standing line down like this. Go back top and slanting line to the left down like this and one more line till the bottom like this. Capital K. K after L. Start a standing line down like this from the bottom, sleeping line to the right. This is capital L. Now we write capital M. Start from the top, draw a standing line down like this, go back top, slanting line to the left and another slanting line like this. Now standing line to the bottom like this. This is capital M. M after N, capital N. Start from the top, draw a standing line down like this and slanting line to the right. Now draw a one more line up to the right like this. This is capital N. N after O, capital O. Start from, make a big circle like this. Make a big circle to the left like this. This is capital O. O after P. Start from the top, one standing line down like this, small curve to the middle. This is capital P. P after Q. Draw a big circle like this, capital Q, and make slanting line to the bottom. This is capital Q. Q after R. Draw a standing line down like this, go back to the top, draw a curve till the middle like this, then draw a slanting line to the bottom. This is capital R. R after S. Start to the top and swing to the left and creative curve like this. Now swing to the right and backward curve to the bottom like this. This is capital S. S after T. Start, draw a standing line down like this and one more slipping line across. This is capital T. T after U. Start from the top, standing line down, curve toward the right and keep then going to the reach the top like this. This is capital U. U after V. Draw a standing line down like this, down to the right, and then make slanting line up to the right. This is capital V. V after W. Draw a slanting line down to the right like this and then top up to the right like this. Now again make a slanting line like this and then slanting line to the top like this. This is capital W. W after X. Draw a standing line down to the right like this, go back to the top, slanting line to the word like this. This is capital X. X after Y. Make a slanting line down like this to the middle, go back top, make a slanting line down to the left, draw a slanting line to the bottom. This is capital Y like this, and then capital Z. Draw a sleeping line toward the right like this. Then make a slanting line down to the left like this. Now again sleeping line in the bottom to the right. This is capital D. I hope you understand capital A to Z.